Hi everyone, welcome. This is Robin Smith, a token creator, a pre-sale launchpad built on the top of RobinHood chain, where you can create your tokens, you can launch a pre-sale, or you can add the liquidity, even you can lock the tokens, also you can swap tokens and manage tokens. In this video we will create a token using this app. First of all, we will connect our wallet. So we are connecting our wallet. Make sure you add the Robinhood chain in your MetaMask. So here we can see our wallet, a balance inside, and we can also see other category like a token inside our wallet, or how much token we create, a pre-sale or lock tokens, and the liquidity. So right now we will create a simple standard token, but we can also create a reflection token, a deflationary token, and here is the advanced mode where we can enable or disable like these functions. Here is the capped minting, holder burning, and the transfer fee, and the um, reception wallet, and the block list, white list, pass, and anti-whale option for the maximum transactions and the maximum wallet holding. Right now we will only create a simple token. So here we will write the token name, and here is the symbol, and we will keep the supply 100 millions, or we can increase or decrease it here, and here is the decimals. So I will create a token, and here is the transaction here on the RobinHood chain, and request from robinsmith.fun, and here is interactive with, and network fee, and we also pay the token creation 0.01 ETH for a simple standard token. We will confirm this transaction. Okay, transaction is confirmed. We can also navigate these transactions, and we can also uh, click here on the manage tokens. So we can see here our token that we created here. You can see Smithy on Robin, and here is the token name, here is the symbol, here is the token contract, and this is the supply maximum, and the our wallet balance also have the token. Now we can add the liquidity in it, or we can launch a pre-sale here. So we have to fill this informations, and we will launch the pre-sale. So in the next video we will show you how to create a pre-sale on this robinsmith.fun launchpad. So in this video we will learn how to create a simple standard token on the Robinhood chain using robinsmith.fun launchpad. Thank you.